Okay, hello everyone. So today we will start with logic gates. So if you don't understand logic gates, you cannot understand the digital electronics. These are the basic building blocks for every digital system. So let me explain them in the simplest way possible. So what are logic gates? Logic gates are simple electronic circuits that take binary inputs, which is either 0 or 1, and produce a binary output. So you can think of them like a decision making unit. Based on the input which we provide, they give output based on a rule. This differs for each and every gate. So starting with AND gate, AND gate. So starting with AND gate, we have two inputs A and B, and the output will be A, B. So the truth table of AND gate goes like A and B are the inputs, and the series of inputs be 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, and the output A B will be 0 0 0 1. So you can ask me, why did the output be 0 0 0 1? So basically AND gate gives output 1 only when both the inputs are 1. So for the first input, which is 0 0, the output will be 0. For 0 1, the output will be 0. For 1 0, the output will be 0. Only for the inputs 1 1, the output will be 1. Think of it like a light switch connected in series. Both must be turned on for the light to turn on. So moving on to OR gate, we have two inputs A and B, and the outputs will be A plus B. So now let's look at the truth table of OR gate. A and B are the inputs. The inputs goes like 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. The output will be A plus B. So 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1, and 1 plus 1 1. So here in OR gate we can see only the inputs which have both zeros will have the output zeros. If any one input is 1, the output will be 1. So think of it like a light switch connected in parallel. If any one turns on, the current starts to flow and the bulb glows. So moving on to NOT gate, we have one input which is A, and the output will be inverse of A, which can be called as A bar. NOT gate is very simple. It just inverts the input. 0 becomes 1, 1 becomes 0. So it just flips the input. 0 becomes 1 and 1 becomes 0. That is why NOT gate is also known as an inverter. So you can ask me, why do we use logic gates? All digital systems from calculators to processors are built using these simple logic gates. By combining them, we can create complex circuits and perform computations. So in this video, we saw AND gate, OR gate, and NOT gate, which are the three basic gates for any digital circuit. So in the coming videos, I will show more about NAND, NOR, and XOR gate, which can be used to build any digital circuit. Like and subscribe Silicon Mentor for more VLSI videos and to master VLSI step by step. Let's grow together. Thank you.